Hello and welcome to this helpful guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Dropbox account to the OneDrive app on your Android phone. This feature allows you to easily import cloud photos and files directly from Dropbox into OneDrive. Let's walk through each step together. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. Tap on Import Cloud Photos and Files. Click on Connect Account to import. From here, select Connect to Dropbox. Then, log into your Dropbox account using your email and password. Once logged in, tap on Allow to grant OneDrive access to Dropbox. Finally, return to the OneDrive app and tap on Import Now to begin transferring files from Dropbox. And that's it. You've successfully connected Dropbox to OneDrive on your Android phone. This integration makes file management smoother across platforms. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.